Alright, doing a little mock-up on the motor here. It's day
6.
Day 6. And as you'll see in the other video, we got the body on the chassis late last night. Everything's fitting like a glove. Got all the
octopus.
Cut the octopus
Much
out.
to the neighbor's dismay.
Yeah, the neighbors probably didn't like it, but hey, you know
Gotta be
what?
done.
Whatever. Still have to get some of the pieces out, but you got to do that with, you know, a timely, you know, take your time, and because there's just spot welds and just got to be careful. Let's come along. We're gonna stick some parts on this because that's a good indicator of what parts we have and we don't have, and check for fitment. So, looking good.
Okay, so day 6. What started out as a little joke here, we're kind of digging it.
DD Speed Shop, we're coming after you.
So, yeah, we didn't want to record throwing the motor in. Nothing really special about that. Headers are all mocked up. You can see they clear. Don't know how well you can see, but had a notched across member for that. But Kevin knew that, so that was done before I even got out here. All our clearances look good. Pretty happy with it. I'm
Yeah.
digging the tunnel ram. I really am.
It's kind of cool, huh?
All right, we're gonna need some help here. What do we got, Kevin?
We got a Mickey Thompson, early Mickey Thompson cross ram for small block Chevy. They are not the carburetors that will go on it, but this is just giving you a an idea of what
Our options
we got
are
going on. And yep, it's got
we
the
have
nice
Mickey
little
Thompson
Mickey Thompson. That's
or the Tunnel of Love.
so. All right.
So drop it in the comments. Which way should we go?
Yep. Hold on though. Let's
Okay.
get the Tunnel of Love on.
All right.
That?
Yep.
For, oh, a little bit.
Tough decision. I'm not gonna say what I'm partial to.
Well, wait,
We'll see if anyone drops a
No,
comment.
that's not the one. That doesn't.
But we could go big block.
That's not a big block.
Oh, it's not?
No,
400.
that's Pops.
Oh. Taken.
That's my
Yep.
dad's. That's taken.
Taken.
That's a pretty good angle.
I think I know what Scott's liking.
So to cut the hood or not cut the hood? That is the question.
Well, I know that answer.
Drop it in the comment section and let us know what you think.
All right, quick recap. 57, looking good. Gonna be working on her through the night. Booger just keeps fighting us. One little stupid thing after another. Brand new gasket, leaking. Gotta let it dry out. Throw some RTV on it. Chester did good in the drag race. No complaints there. And Kevin promised me, next time I come out, we're gonna be working on this. I'm really looking forward to this fastback. This is just a badass car. Might be my favorite on the property. Not just because it's supercharged either. Although, I do like Butch. Something about that big old cab over. So let's take a look under the hood. Oh, look at this baby. Vitec. I mean, really, all we gotta do is throw a battery in this and we can run it around. And this baby is quick. So I've been told. Yeah, so we got a lot done. When I got here, this was just a frame. When I say just a frame, there was no suspension on it. Obviously, there was no body on it. There was obviously no motor in it. This is just a bunch of parts all over the place. but it was a little sketchy at times. But she is mounted on the frame with a lot of parts left to go on her. All little knickknacks. Nothing major. But it's a 1957 Chevy Convertible. Not a lot of people own these.
So, well, do you get the idea? Well, I used to have a 68 Camaro road race car, and well, I was fortunate enough to sell it without this engine, and it's about a 400 horsepower motor, small block, runs real well, and barely has any time on it. So, well, instead of sitting in that hole over there, I might as well throw this in the Chevy. Let's see. Ooh. It's got a camel hump heads. It's about a 9.5 to 1 compression, so it's not a very. Actually, no, it's probably 10. It's probably 10 to 1 with the cylinder heads that are on it. Sorry about that. And it's got a comp cam in it. That's the grind number. It's got a nice nice lope to it, and it's pretty hard. So yeah, I might start looking into using this. Put that intake on here. I do need to source some 390 Holley 4110 carburetors. 4110 or yeah, I think it's 4110. Forget my numbers. So, well, let's dig into this and see what the condition is. It's been sitting pretty long, so I did loosen up the valves so we don't have to worry about the springs collapsed or not. So, all right.
So, here we are. My last night in Havasu. We got everything we wanted done. Well, almost everything. As you can see, the body is on the frame. You know, suspension's all done. We're all good. Motors, well, we're not keeping this motor. We're actually going to be going with a 327 rather than a 350. Just because higher RPMs are cool. The one thing I wish we had time for, I never got to get Miss Pac-Man working. I really wanted to get that working. Next time.